Okay, guys, my husband is making chili, his famous chili, tonight for dinner. He is using 5.5 pounds, 93% lean, 7% fat. This was the leanest they had at Walmart. Normally, we get 97% lean and 3% fat, but the 93% lean and 7% fat was the best we could do. Okay, he's also using green peppers, celery, onions, diced tomatoes, dark red kidney beans, light red kidney beans, and chili beans. And even though I don't have the garlic on the counter, he's also gonna put garlic in there. And he got a family secret that he's not telling. So, and it's an ingredient, so we'll be back. Okay, my husband is cooking the grounded beef in our electric skillet. He just put the diced onions in. Go ahead, babe. And now he is adding the diced green peppers. And he used the vegetable choppers, guys. Look at there. Okay, and in this pot over here, he have all the beans and what else did you put in there, babe? All the rest of the ingredients, right?
All but the celery so far.
Okay, so everything is in there except for the celery. What type of spices do you use, babe?
Chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder.
Chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder. Okay, honey, so when do you add the celery?
After I put the meat, the peppers and onions in there.
Mm-hmm.
And mix it all together.
Yeah.
Then I put chopped celery in there.
Okay.
Mama's secret additive. And just let it simmer until the celery is soft. That is ready.
You heard it, guys. You heard it from the chef. So we'll be back. Okay, guys, so here is the seasoning. We got garlic powder, Trady's brand. It's from Gordon's, Gordon Food Store. We have the mild chili powder, same thing, Trady's brand, Gordon Food Store. And onion powder, and everybody knows what brand this is. Okay. Okay, guys, my husband has just added the ground beef.
With the onions.
With the onions and the green peppers. Now what's next? Okay, so now he's getting ready to add the celery.
Now, mind you, the celery was Mom's way of timing the chili. When the celery's soft, chili's done.
You heard it, guys. His mom's, she's the one discovered a way of timing when the chili is ready. When the celery is done, when the celery is tender, the chili is ready. Yeah, okay. There he is, guys, mixing it all together. Oh boy, that looks so good.
Wish you all could taste it and smell it.
Yeah.
And appreciate it.
Oh yeah. I know you've heard it a million times, but if smell-o-vision was a thing, all our mouths be drooling. Oh my gosh.
Appreciate all my hard slaving work on making a kettle of chili. And my wife wants to play a bubble game.
Well, yeah, that's how I think, honey. You think I'm just, sitting in front of the computer just bubbling around. But that's how I think. That's how I come up with ideas and stuff.
Don't that look awesome?
Yeah, look at at all of that deliciousness going on in the
And
pot.
ain't done yet.
Okay.
This fat old man got one more piece to put to the puzzle.
Okay, you heard it first there, guys. We'll be back. Okay, guys. My husband put in the final secret ingredient. And now he's mixing everything together. Oh, that looks so deliciousness. I can't wait to eat. And we made it in, let me show you. Look at that big ass pot. Yeah. There you go.
Now mind you, when all these pieces of celery are soft, then we talk with chili.
Oh, absolutely.
And it's not too hot. Got a little bit of flavor. And means it'll be done.
Oh, I can't wait. I am so hungry.
Turn the heat up just a bit.
I am so hungry.
And
Then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in a bowl. We're going to, instead of plating it up, we're going to bowl it up, right?
yeah, we gotta have chili bowls.
Yeah. Do we have chili bowls?
I do.
Oh, you rubbing it in my face?
No, I told you before, them brown bowls that I have in the cupboard,
Yeah.
that's what I use for chili. That,
Okay, guys, the chili is ready. Now, my husband wouldn't let me just start dipping some out the pot. He says that you have to stir it up and mix it and get all the flavors throughout from the bottom to the top. So he's doing the final mix.
you mix it every time before you dip.
Oh, I see. Well, you heard him, guys. You have to mix it every time before you dip.
All beans and vegetables will settle to the bottom. So you gotta make sure you mix them all up where you get a good bowl of chili.
Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to make it. Here it is, guys. This is the final setup. We got a hot bowl of chili on a nice cold night with a little bit of these peppers right here. Diced jalapenos. And some diced raw onions. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? I so wish you could join us for dinner. All you chili lovers out there, happy eating. Now tell me, this isn't enough to fill a hungry belly.
Now about 4 of them.
Ah!